E-commerce is simply the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet. Let's break down how this digital marketplace actually works. At its core, e-commerce removes the physical barriers of a traditional storefront, allowing transactions to happen anywhere at any time. Online shopping has grown rapidly, now accounting for a massive share of total retail sales worldwide as technology makes payments safer. These three pillars keep the system running. You need a place to look, a safe way to pay, and a way to get items delivered. While physical stores offer immediate gratification, e-commerce provides unmatched convenience and a much wider selection of goods globally. The volume of money moving through online channels has exploded over the last decade, reflecting a major shift in consumer behavior. Most shoppers cite convenience and price comparison tools as the main reasons they choose to shop online rather than visiting a store. Understanding how e-commerce works helps you navigate the modern economy. Subscribe for more financial basics, and thanks for watching.